Okay, this time I'm gonna show you what can we do with the HPI Racing 17.8 Pontiac Firebird, or I would prefer say TransAm Bandit edition. Okay, this isn't a very complicated one kit, but you have to make some choose. You can follow the official GM pattern of the Pontiac TransAm, the one that is shown in the movie named Smokey and the Bandit. Cours après moi shérif in Canada and France. And you can also do a more racing one without the original rear spoiler, but with the traditional HPI racing spoiler, if you want to perform in the VTA class in your club. The kit is well detailed. Lettering are beautiful. Okay, you can see that I had TransAm, and in the kit you have only HPI here. So where did I find the letters? Okay, I just take the second sticker sheet, and what I found here is some tuning lettering saying 4-speed transmission American muscle. Okay, you have the lettering for the late 1979 and 1980 TransAm lettering, but you have the 77 and 78 lettering here. So when you cut AM of American and trans of transmission, you have TransAm lettering, and also for the rear too. The little Pontiac logo here is lost in the decals sheets, but it exists. It's not numbered, but it exists, like any HPI logos. For this body, you can put internal light buckets at the front and also the rear. HPI given you some TranAm stickers, and for myself I've prepared them and use shogu glue. I think it's better, and I will maybe later add some lights because I think it's fun. I don't know why, but when I take off the Windows mask, the glue stay on the glasses. So when you are not far, okay, it's like a smoky effect, but when you are near, you can see it's make bubbles, and it's not very nice, but it's okay for racing. And when you are not close of it, it's excellent. So I'll say, I'll keep them. Also for the rear wings, I glued it rather than using the screw given in the kit. A little suggestion is to use one of the little Lexan parts available to put plate on it and to glue it on the front, because classic stitches have to follow the body and it's not nice, you see. And also this time I had another problem with painting about the roof. Okay, I choose to follow the Bandit edition with the T-top. The given mask for the painting is not perfect. You have to correct the parallax after painting and repaint it. And also I had a little I won't say it's a problem, but it was hard to find a solution because we have to deal with the end of the windows, the doors, and the T-top. So I solutioned it by using again black liner for the nails. But it's at your convenience. For me, it's one of the most beautiful HPI creation.